humble beginning by Prakash Chemicals to bring about a significant change in the lives of children of Anganwadis that we have adopted. Children are future of tomorrow, so we want to focus on their education, health and nutrition.
At Prakash, CSR is not just an activity. CSR is a way of life. Prakash, since its inception, has always believed that business or the organization for which it was created is just a means and not an end. What we do to the society is an end. What we contribute to the society is an end. We are today deeply guided by the philosophy of the organization, which believes in the basic principles of love, compassion, non-violence, humanism, and these are not just words. We actually believe and practice this into day-to-day life.
Interacting with those small children of Anganwadi is such a fulfilling experience. It brings solace to one's mind. Also, it breaks everyday's monotony and gives you a nostalgic feeling. Proud to be a member of Team Prabhas.
It's almost been a year now since I go to Anganwadi every alternate Saturdays. It's not only about being with those kids, but it's imparting your own knowledge, making them study, doing drawings together and much more things. It's a sense of achievement which is much more fulfilling than your career achievements. Proud to be a member of Prabhas.
Joy of Giving Week is a very important week which is being celebrated throughout the country, and this particular movement has been picked up by Baroda some 5 years back, but ultimately our company, that is Prakash Group of Companies, has now taken this initiative of celebrating Joy of Giving Week since last 2.5 years.
said were just few of the activities. Prakash has indeed big and very long-term plans on CSR. We want to frame a system whereby a certain percentage of profit is actually dedicated for this activity, and they, as I said, society becomes a stakeholder in Prakash. We firmly believe that that is the way to grow and survive. Thank you.